my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Wi-Fi Manage No Network at Setting in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search options here. I have clicked and go to the settings here. So in settings we will get the lots of modules. In this module we click the network and internet options. See, so here the things Wi-Fi connect manage known network metered network. So click in this arrow sign, we will get and find the things Wi-Fi. All kinds of settings has been presented here. So now we will do the manage no network. So here add, remove and edit networks. So click here, and here the add option I can add or I can, so I will get the name of network, any kinds of name, or which app I will got. I have got C connected automatically or things. Then I will click the save option. So in this way I can add this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.